So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go make sure before this video even starts and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah. So today's video now is going to be a clean, organized, small bathroom with me. I've been doing a lot of DIYs. If you follow me on Snapchat, you guys will have seen where I did a lot of DIYs. So all of those DIYs that I did is to put in the bathroom. So yeah man, so as I come here, so feel would do this. It's like I'm saying, oh my god, I'm gonna take the dishwasher and it's so popping, like, yeah, but we can always put it up back. I'm trying to, you know, do a little different color right now. So yeah, so we're gonna start. Yeah, so let's jump right into the video, and most of what I will be doing, it will be in time lapse. So if there is anything that I need to tell you guys, then I will, you know, come back to regular format and inform you guys about all of that. So yeah man, let's do this. So guys, to clean the bathroom, you see this comment thing right here? This comment thing gives you good results in terms of making things shine, clean and sparkly. It's comment, it has bleach in it, clean, tough stain, yeah, clean, tough stain. Next part of Spanish, I guess I just apply them. It can be used on tile surface or any metal surface, so this is good to clean. So yeah, and I only paid like $1.50 for this in the dollar store in Canada. Show you how I fold my towels. This is a nice thing I saw on the internet. So first I flip this side up on top right here, and then I am going to flip it over back on this side. So as you can see, I flipped it over back on the next side, so the decoration side is under here. Yeah, let me just straighten back that out. Then I'm going to go ahead and fold the entire towel from the top to the bottom down there in thirds. So let me fold it in thirds and then I show you. As you can see, it's in thirds. Look, down there, up here. Now we're going to go ahead and take this part up here and put it under the first layer right here. So we're going to stuff it under here, right under here. So let me stuff it and come back. So it's stuff or tufted under. So we're gonna go, yes, we're on the ground guys, the ground ain't all that dirty, and then these towels are just decoration, so I'm not expecting it to be used on the face or anything. So after, we're gonna flip it over, and then look, you got a pocket. Yeah, so as you can see, there's a pocket right here, and I just flipped it over, and I'm going to put it over the rail now. So I did went ahead and do the fan method. You know the fan method that they have, like when you use paper and use paper to the fan. Oh my god, the ring light turn off, but that's okay for right now because my phone won't charge. So I did went ahead and do the fan method. Hold on. So we're going to just wrap the end right here with this head wrap, and then there you have it, and tuck it in right here. first going to attack under this vanity, right? So I'm gonna tell you, look under there is so terrible, so untidy. But guess what, I am having a little trouble with it because it is leaking right down here, so it's having a little leaking issue. So I try my best to put stuff that are, you know, they're not important. But today we're going to try and see how best I can get to avoid the part that's leaking and store stuff under there. So I'm going to try my best to see how best I can work out and then store stuff under there. So yeah, so I actually have some storage bins right here. I have 3 of these. Okay, the light went out, so so I'm actually going to see how best I can. Wow. I'm going to see how best I can utilize these things with under here. So for the part that is not. So yeah.
Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
Despite how terrible the vanity looks, this is the organization that I did. This is the part that's leaking right here, right? It's leaking from somewhere under here, so and it's a little terrible. I don't want to feature too much of it, but you know, I try my best to organize it. So I organized it. It's way bigger than how it was before. I have a lot of face stuff here that I'm not using, so I just place them under there, right? And I put my wigs them around there, and you know, I should put the wigs around up here, so, and then yeah, I probably move the wigs from around there and put this bag around there. So yeah, and I put my mannequin, my basic white, a lot of ear stuff, face stuff over this side, and detergent, washing stuff, hand soap, and the clothespin pan is right here. So when the bleach comes out, the big bottle of bleach that is right up there, I'm just gonna place it under here. So I actually promised myself that I have to redo this vanity, like DIY it, like with some paper, wallpaper, and then stuff there. There's a lot of DIY videos that I've seen, and I'm looking into the marble type. But before I do it, right, I want to get the walls in white because the bathroom dark, and I want what it polite. So yeah, so we're working with this vanity for now, so let's not pay that much mind and let's continue.
Open up, you OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends.